In today's time, product images are rapidly losing their impact. My founder friends, people now no longer trust a couple of images on behind just white background. People seek something far more immersive, and that change is transforming the e-commerce world forever. And this is the big shift is been happen in e-commerce. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you why these common product photos no longer work anymore and what new ways are replacing them everywhere. Shopify, Amazon, online retail. If you sell anything online, this is the major update you cannot neglect or avoid. So, the ending of traditional images. Yes, we're going to talk about why these are being ending. Why product images not working in 225 or even onwards. How modern buyer thinking and expecting. Why brands or online store need move forward to stay in competitive advantage. So we're going to talk about what the actual issue with static photos, flight images. The problem is software often facing issue with understand the correct sizes, scales and textures and how the furniture, home decor and fashions products fit into their actual life. And these lead to confusions, doubts, hesitations and ultimately returns. And next thing is also no confidence among buyers and less product clarity. And in a world where attention spans are lower, shorter, and expectations are higher, static photos simply fail to deliver the kind of confidence that buyer need. But my friend, the new visual shift and changes has come. Now here the interesting part is modern buyers are replacing flight images with interactive experience. First thing we're going to talk about augmented reality. Now you can ask what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is kind of like buyer can absolutely place your product inside their real environment, real space, real room using just their phone camera. Means they can try your products, place your products, see your product as just their home without going anywhere outside any physical stores. Wow, this is the amazing part of this augmented reality. Now, next part is 3D models. Instead of common static shots, online buyers can turn around the product in full 360. So they can see every details, every textures and every color variations. This is the thing about 3D models. Now next thing is interactive experience. What is this interactive experience? You can say virtual try on. Now you can say what is virtual try on? For fashions, beauty and accessories brands, AR try on let your buyers see the product on themselves before they purchase. Now again this part has come. This part has come. Means they can try fashion, beauty and accessory products on themselves before they going anywhere outside any physical store. Wow, this is the amazing part again about augmented reality. Now where we are, you can say web based AR. Here the this is the exactly game changer here now. Means we don't need now app much means we no app required just basically shopper tap and in and view the product directly in their space just with link. Why this kind of ways and shift always win? One simple reason is increase conversion dramatically. So when your shopper sees exactly what they are about to get, your conversion rate automatically dramatically increase and return rate drop because they know what they are going to get. And the best part is better shopper experience, better customer experience. And again, next amazing thing is due to size and life product understanding. So my founder friend, if you would like more insight like this, just stick around it and I will continue more insight like this so that you can stay ahead of the curve